Good morning children, welcome back to the class. So today's session number is 33 as we are continuing our chapter number 7, your teeth. So in yesterday's class we have discussed about the milk teeth as well as the permanent teeth. Milk teeth in the sense the teeth that most children will have after the 8 months or 9 months, and they are in 20 number, the 20 teeth. Only the milk teeth consists of 20 teeth only, and they'll be having 5 or 6 years. Milk teeth will be having only 5 or 6 years. After that they will fall off. So we have studied about this, and also about the permanent teeth. There are 28 permanent teeth in all between the age of 17 and 21, and 4 more teeth, they are called as wisdom teeth. They will be growing the mouth later on. After this, we will be having, the adult will be having 32 teeth. Now the structure of a tooth. And yesterday we have learned about this, the types of teeth. The first front 4 teeth are called as incisors. The first front 4 teeth are called as incisors. And next again here 2 teeth are there. This side teeth is called as canine. And next one more set of 2 teeth are there. These 2 teeth are called as premolars. And next again 3 sets of teeth are there. These are called as molars. These are called as molars. So we are having incisors, canine, molars and premolars. Same thing will be happening here also. Only one teeth is called as canine, and again 2 teeth, these are called as premolars. Okay, and again 3 teeth here are called as molars. Now the structure of a tooth. Let us now learn what a tooth really is. Look at your teeth in the mirror. What do you see? You see only the outer structure of the teeth, that is in white color, and it is called as the enamel. This is the hardest substance in the body. The outer covering of the teeth is called as, it is having enamel, and it is the hardest substance in our body. The part of the tooth you can see which is not covered by the gum is called the crown. The part of, we are able to see this part, teeth part that is not covered with the gum, and it is called as crown. The crown of each tooth is covered with enamel. So the teeth that is not covered with the gum is called as crown. It is called as crown, and it is covered with enamel. It is covered with enamel. Enamel is a very tough substance, and it protects the inside of the tooth. As I have told you that enamel is the hardest substance in the body, and it protects the tooth. The part beneath the enamel is called as dentine. Beneath the, here you can see in the picture now. Beneath the enamel is called as the dentine. So where it is located? The white part we are having no teeth. This is the white part, and this is called as enamel. And beneath the enamel is called as dentine. Beneath the enamel is called as dentine. It is the hard substance that make up the largest part of the tooth. This is also a largest substance. It protects the innermost part of the tooth called the pulp. So the again inner part is having beneath the dentine, that is called as pulp, where we are having some nerves. This is called as pulp. Dentine is protecting the pulp. It protects the innermost part of the tooth called the pulp. So dentine protects the pulp. Now the pulp is where there are nerve ending and blood vessels. In all over our body we are having the nerves that carry blood. So here we can see the nerves. The nerve ending inside the pulp send message to the brain about what you are eating. Now suppose if you are eating the sweet or you are eating the hot or bitter taste or sour taste, that message will send through these nerves to the brain. The blood vessels supply blood to the tooth to keep it alive and healthy. So because of the blood, our teeth are alive and healthy. Alive and healthy. Why? Because these nerves will get supply blood to the teeth. The pulp goes down into the root of the tooth, which is the undergum. The root holds the tooth firmly in place. So the roots will hold this tooth firmly in the particular place. Now open your mouth wide and look at the teeth in the front and the back of the mouth in the mirror. What do you notice? Types of teeth. So already we have studied now incisors, canines, molars. Let us study in detail. You notice that all the teeth in your mouth do not look alike. Are all the teeth are in the same shape? No, our teeth are not in the same shape. Let us see now. The two front teeth and teeth on either side of them are called incisors. You have 4 incisors at the top and 4 incisors at the bottom. Incisors are chisel shaped. They are in chisel shape. They help you to cut, chop and slice food. When you bite into an apple, you see your incisors. Already here we have the front teeth. The front teeth where you are having 4. They are in number 4. So 4 teeth in front, 4 teeth in down. That means overall you are having incisors 8. You are having incisors 8 in number. 8 incisor teeth are there in our mouth, that is located in the front, and they help to cut and chop the food, and they are in chisel shaped. Next one about the canines. One more pair is there now beside the incisor. It is called as canine. Next to incisors are sharp pointed canines. How are canines? Very sharp and pointed. How many canines are there? There are 4 of them. 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom. So overall 4 canines are there. Like this. Upper 2 and below 2. They are very sharp now. That's why I have drawn like. Here in the picture also they have layer. They are mentioned in white color. They are labeled in white color teeth. This white color teeth is called as a canines. They help you to tear the food. They are very sharp, so they help to tear the food. Next, open your mouth a bit wider. You can see the premolars next. These are the premolars. They are in white color again in this picture. The next to the canines. Canines tarvata premolars ఉంటాయి. You have 8 premolars in all. 4 at the top and 4 at the bottom. How many premolars are there? 8 premolars are there. Overall 8 premolars are there. If you can open your mouth little wider, really wider, you will see your molars. You have 8 of these. 4 at the top, 4 at the bottom. The premolars and molars are flat and broad and help you to chew the grind the food. So how many are there again? 8. That's 4 at the top and 4 at the bottom. Overall 8 are there. So how are these located? They are at the bottom and the top, and they help you to chew and grind the food. Now next they are again taking care of your teeth. Now we will talk about the taking care of your teeth. Your teeth will last a lifetime if you take good care of them. Man enta care తీసుకుంటే మన teeth anta బాగుంటుంది. For the basic thing is you should change your toothbrush every 3 months. Learn to brush your teeth the right way. Move the toothbrush in little circles around until you have covered the surface of every tooth. Brush your teeth up and down, rather side to side. And remember to brush them not just in the morning but before going to the bed as well. So what are the precautions you have to take care of your teeth? You have to brush your teeth morning as well as in the before going to the bed. And you have to rotate your breath in all sides, side to side and front and back and in circular motion. Next, wash and rinse your mouth after every meal. Man annam tinnaka we have to put some water in the mouth and we have to rinse in the mouth and we have to clean after every meal. తిన్న తర్వాత ప్రతిసారి నోట్ నీట్గా వాష్ చేసుకోవాలి. You can use a dental floss to clean between teeth. This removes food and clay that gets stuck in between your teeth. If something gets stuck in between the teeth, you have to use some soft dental floss. That means you should not keep all types of sticks. You can use a tongue cleaner to clean your tongue. To clean your tongue, you have to use the tongue cleaner. Sweets and candies and things such as soda. So you should not eat such kind of things like sweets and chocolates because they are not good for your teeth. Sugar reacts with bacteria in your mouth to form acid that causes tooth decay. Why? Because the sugar that is present in the chocolates will react with the bacteria that is present in the mouth and you get the tooth pain. Drink at least 2 glasses of milk and include eggs, fruits and leafy vegetables in your diet to keep your teeth strong and healthy. Our teeth strong and healthy every day 2 glasses of milk as well as you have to eat the eggs also. Visit a dentist at least once a year for checkup. Your dentist will look out of the problems and treat them if there are. So the person who check your teeth, the doctor who check your teeth are called as dentist. Dentist is a person. Dentist is a doctor who check your teeth. If any problem is there, you have to consult the dentist. So take care of your teeth and you can have a healthy smile for the rest of your life. When you take care of your teeth, you can have a nice smile. If your teeth is not good, if you smile, it will look nice? No. Dogs have 42 teeth, cats have 30 teeth, pigs have 44 teeth and mosquitoes have 47 teeth. Adults have 32 teeth in human beings. This is all children. We have finished the chapter and term 1 also. And I will give you the questions of previous lesson as well as this lesson also. So today homework is that write all the keywords one time from this lesson. I am writing here homework. Learn and write keywords from textbook, page 237. 1. This is your homework, children. Write neatly. While sending the homework, please mention the date and the session number. Learn and write keywords from textbook, page number 237. Thank you, children.